Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, and here you have Do Not Disturb preferences. So to switch Do Not Disturb mode, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button which basically switches to Not Disturb mode. And to access its settings, you just go here. So you have priority only allows, so you have you can add exceptions to this mode here. You have reminders, you have events, you have messages, calls, you have also repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, this call will be added to the exceptions too. You can block visual disturbance, and you have automatic rules. So automatic rules is basically just a schedule for the Do Not Disturb mode. You can change its name, you can select days on which it will be active, you can select start time, end time, and you can also set some other Do Not Disturb mode preferences for the schedule. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.